Staying here in the nation, a court decided to award some millions of dollars in back pay to workers at Kia Motors. The dispute was over what forms of compensation are considered part of an employee's basic pay. The case prompted the nation's finance minister to remind the government it's time to change the law to prevent recurrence of such wage-related issues. Jeong-yeon has the details.
Speaking at an economic meeting on Friday, South Korea's Finance Minister Kim Dong-yeon said the government will push to revise the current labor law.
The government will make further efforts to ensure there will be no more unnecessary disputes between firms and labor workers over wage-related matters. For a more fundamental solution, the government will work towards revising the Labor Standards Act by clarifying the legal scope of what constitutes ordinary wages.
This comes after the Seoul Central District Court ruled on Thursday that fixed bonuses fall under the scope of ordinary wages, as demanded by the Kia Motors labor union. Kia Motors, South Korea's second-largest car maker, was ordered to pay an overdue amount of some $370 million to the workers. Currently in South Korea, employees receive a lump sum bonus on top of their regular salary on a fixed basis. Companies argue that if these fixed bonuses were to be included in ordinary wages, they would incur a heavier financial burden, as other benefits and allowances would have to be readjusted accordingly. Whether Parliament will pass a proposed revision is yet unclear, as the ruling party will need cooperation from opposition parties to pass the bill. Jeong-yeon, Arirang News.